Introducing the GWC-B 2800, a fully automatic steel resistance mesh welding machine for large-size mesh production. The machine integrates longitudinal bar feeding, cross-bar feeding welding units, mesh pulling, stacking, cooling, pneumatic, and electrical control systems. Steel bar welding diameter is upgraded from 6-12 mm to 6-16 mm, meeting the demands of large mesh users. Cylinder pressure welding allows widths from 500 to 2800 millimeters. The automatic crossbar fall system reaches 50 to 70 rows per minute, reducing labor and simplifying operation. With up and down mesh pulling and discharge, the machine ensures stable, high-efficiency production. Reliable automation for large-scale mesh manufacturing.